Hello everyone, this is Christopher from SlashGear. Today we're taking a look at Jellybean. It's Android 4.1, and we're looking at the Nexus 7. Now we got two options right here from the start screen, which has sort of like a little wave thing going on there. We can either go unlock it, or we can go straight to Google. Now when we go straight to Google, we go to the Google home page. Actually, we show Discover Google Now. So what it's actually doing is showing us a demonstration of what we can do next. Like we got Google Now, which is showing us features that we're going to be able to use for events. Now what Google Now does is, you've seen it earlier today, but we see sort of ways to get to work, ways to get back, and everything along the way. It'll show you how to get to your bus, how long it'll take to get there, and everything like in between like that as well. Now we're going to go back to the home screen here, so we can skip over that for now. Now what you got here is a brand new home screen. It doesn't look that new compared to the old ice cream sandwich on the Galaxy Nexus, in that it has the same sort of look to the icons and that. They're a little bit updated, a little more shiny. But we have things like this new widget, which is My Library. It brings you to each of these things you've gotten from the Google Play App Store and Magazine Store and that sort of stuff that's new. If we go into Esquire, it'll bring us into that magazine specifically. And then you can go through and see the other ones you have here. We only have a few. We'll go into Esquire magazine, pop in there like that. And actually, what it shows us is that we'll need to download it, but it'll show it to us really quickly as well, because you're getting it straight from the cloud. So we'll let that load for 1 sec here, see if it pops up. Here it is. There we go. You can start moving right through it. Black Street. There we go. Looks nice. So go back out. You can get to all the other stuff like that as well. You can get to music, and you can get to your magazines and new movie downloads as well. But you also have a couple new widgets here. One for LinkedIn, that'll bring you to all your LinkedIn stuff. Recommended apps, go straight to those. You have a notification screen here. You see it's a little bit smaller than it has been on tablets before. It's much more correctly sized as far as aesthetics go. But you have things like you can lock your screen from here. You can go straight to your settings. You can tap this right here and knock it all back out. Pull it back out, you can see your time and date, and then you get a little bit of information on your device as well. If we go into settings, you can now go down here, see that there's pretty much the same thing except for your accounts are read out in the open. If you go to About Tablet, you can see that we are indeed working on Nexus 7, and it's Android 4.1, and it has a little Jellybean. That's fun. A little Jellybean's flying around. So we'll get back out of there. In our apps, this device comes with only one screen of apps, including the brand new Currents. Now this is a slightly new icon. If you tap into there, you'll see if it's already on here. We'll see if it is. This is Google's news reading app, and it's been a simple interface so far, but what this version does is it adds sort of, tap into SlashGear here to see it. SlashGear was a partner on this when it started, so it should look rather nice here as well. Once it pops up, you can see we've got information about what we're looking at right here with the new swag, information on everything we reviewed and looked at today. We can also go straight to Google+, and we can go forward like that, backwards, very smooth experience on here. If we go back out, we go to our recent apps. If it loads, go back out to the front. There we go. Here's our recent apps. These act very much the same as they did before, but knock them out like that, hold them down, remove from list, app info, etc. Now, this device and this new version of Android is very much made to be a part of Google Play. It's very much a Google Play device, which means, as you can see right from the front, you've got your books and your magazines, movies, and music, and everything is based on that. So aside from it being a little bit faster, you got faster frame rates in Jellybean, for example. Other than that, it's very much the same as it is for Ice Cream Sandwich, save for that new sort of focus. So there you have it.